How to manage sound equalizer mode on your Android phone. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open your Android phone and go to Settings. In Settings, click on Sounds and Vibration. After you've clicked on Sounds and Vibration here, click on Dolby Atmos. After you've clicked on Dolby Atmos, in here at the bottom, you'll find Style Preferences, Equalizer. Simply click on it. It is not available on my device to change it. So, in your phone, you will find equalizer in this way. You can click on Balance, Bass, Boost, Smooth, Dynamic, Clear, Treble, Boost, and also Custom. And this is how to manage sound equalizer mode on your Android phone. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.